special announcement. Just wanted to let y'all know that Tuesday, January the 30th, I will be going live with Melissa from Melissa's Corner at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. So come on over and visit with us. We will be there January the 30th, Tuesday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Come ready for some nice, fun chit-chatting time together. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, Bean Beauties. Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is another day of Dee Dee's Denim Drop. Whoops, as I'm dropping stuff. Today's another day of Dee Dee's Denim Drops. Only have a few more left, I promise. Don't want y'all to get too bored of this series, but I love denim, and so I've added a lot to my collection. And don't worry, I'm not going to stop adding to my collection. I probably just won't give you a whole month full. A whole month full. But you know, I had to show everybody who's disappointed like me about not being able to acquire the LV denim. I wish I was in that price point that I could get it, and I was trying to get a vintage one for the Marc Jacobs vintage one. So I had been looking and trying to get one, but I was trying to get, you know, as perfect one as I could get. But I waited too long because I didn't realize that LV was coming out with the new drops, and I'm not in the know about all that stuff. So the denim prices for the LV vintage just skyrocketed. What the heck is going on? I thought it was because of Christmas, and then I discovered that it wasn't. It was because they were coming out with a new line. They were revamping their line and coming out with some new products, and so, you know, disappointing. I was already buying denim anyway, so I thought I'd put it all together and do a nice series for y'all. So after I show all of this, I'm gonna do a collection video of what I have unboxed, and if I can find what I've previously purchased, then we can do a comparison against the vintage LV and the current remix LV, and we'll see if I have anything that's close that'll work and that will scratch that itch. Okay, alrighty. Our little housekeeping I have is thank you very much. I hit 500 subscribers. As of today, I've hit 500 subscribers. I'm at 501. So I thank you very much. Y'all have given me an early birthday present. So thank you, thank you, thank you. What I had done is I had these magnets. They're magnets that you can put on the refrigerator or wherever, you know, that magnets go, to tell my viewers thank you. You don't have to be subscribed to get a magnet, although I would greatly appreciate it. It'll help my channel grow. I'm wanting to get to 1,000 subscribers by the summertime, early summer. So every subscription helps. And I'd like to get to 1,010 so that I can get monetized, and my channel can get monetized, and I can start that part of my journey to help out a little bit. And so this is for anybody who would wish one. For the first 50 people who would like a magnet, all you have to do is send me a DM on Instagram at beanbeautybagsit. Send me an email at beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com. Either one will work. Do not put any personal information below in the chat box below, please.
Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. No, Will Robinson. Danger.
Don't do that, because that is not good. YouTube is not safe for personal information. Do it or DM me over at Instagram, or send me a private email, and I will get one out to you just as soon as I can get them out. I'll be doing bulk mailing because that's just easier for me, as y'all know. It's hard for me to get out, and with the weather and everything like that, I don't want to push it and get myself sick. So as soon as I can get out with the weather, I will get them out. But I'm wrapping them up. I've had several requests already, so I'm wrapping them up as we speak, and gonna get them out to y'all. Today is going to be Coach. I know I have done a lot of Dooney unboxings, because that's really what, you know, that's where my heart is, and that's what I tend to look for. Whoops. But today I did find a nice Coach crossbody, and I got it on eBay. I'm trying to find it here. Yeah, got it on eBay, and it is a great little bag here. It is called, they called it, it was actually a strange name. Yeah, Coach, it's the Coach brand. It's women's crossbody shoulder strap bag. It says new zip tag. And then it says Country Music Hall of Fame. So I don't know what that Country Music Hall of Fame part is about, but if y'all know, please let me know. This is the bag. It's cute. It's a mini messenger bag, which I love these. And it's got the nice little leather here. Has the Coach tag here. I was trying to see if there's anything that says anything about the Country Music Hall of Fame. I'm going to look at the patch. Let's see. I do have my readers for a change. That would be nice, very handy. So let me see if there's anything. This is a Coach bag. It was handcrafted in China from the finest materials and leathers. Its superior craftsmanship reflects our commitment to the enduring quality. The number is 80826-41750. So I don't see anything, because sometimes way back they used to put it on the creed, you know, if it was a special edition of some kind, but I don't see anything that has to do with that. But here is the front of the bag. Here is the side of the bag, nice thin profile. Here's the back of the bag. So far, I'm really not seeing anything. It is pre-loved because the strap is a little dirty. There's the bottom of the bag. Well, it's not dirty. Here's a strap. It's like a beige strap. It's showing some wear. Where did I see that there was wear? Well, right here. There's a little bit of wear here. Just a teeny tiny bit right there. Has a little scratch there on the leather. Was there anything here? No, the little knob, it says, the button says Coach. I don't really see any visible scratches. It is a very cute bag. It is adjustable. So let me try to get it to a longer.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do it down to the longest setting.
Whoops. Whoops. Here is and Coach usually, as well as Dooney, are very generous with their straps, even though they're not removable. But yeah, there we go. That's good. That's good. I can handle that. I definitely can handle that. Look at that. Woohoo. And then you can also wear a crossbody. And this one's actually very easy to move. Oh, I'm stuck. This one's actually very easy to move. I'm just killing myself here. You just pull, do this thingy here, and it moves very well, very quickly, which is great for me because it doesn't really mess with my hands much. See, there, made it a shoulder bag. So for a shoulder bag, and there's still, I can move it more because that's a little bit too long. See, right here, it's dirty. Right there, that's where I saw it on the strap. It was dirty. But I think that's where the, yeah, that's right here where this was at, the buckle part of the slipping. So, yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, so nice drop. So, let's see. It is, from here to here, it's 7 inches. I would say 7.5 inches. From the bottom of the bag to the top of the bag, the zipper, it would be 8.5. So that's not bad at all. I like that. So this actually wasn't too bad. The cost of the bag was $32. So I thought that was pretty good for a Coach bag. Look at the zipper pull here. And I love the Coach tag here. It's so cute. That has, this is like this canvas with the leather straps here, and it's got the, oh, this side is removable. Huh, okay. Now that doesn't make sense. It's like, why make one side removable and not the other? I don't know. Maybe they call it country music because of the strap. It was like that. This would probably, they would, it was kind of a guitar strap. I don't know. If anybody out there knows, let me know. So she was $32 and $7.50 was the shipping, $3.26 was the tax, and was $42.76. So I definitely enjoy that. She's got a front pocket here and goes all the way down. She's got a back pocket here, goes all the way down. So great. I don't have my cell phone. I left it in another bag when I was doing a video a couple of weeks ago, and I haven't been able to find my cell phone case. So I can't use it to demonstrate, but definitely the cell phone will fit in here. The pocket itself is 7.5 inches. So I think my cell phone is up to 6.5 or something like that, so it'll fit. It's an iPhone Pro. It's iPhone 14 Pro Max. So mine will fit in here. So I can just tell by eyeing it. Thank you very much for coming by and visiting with me in regards to this bag, this country music Hall of Fame women's crossbody shoulder strap bag, new with zip tag, country music Hall of Fame. I don't know. They just kind of throw everything in there. But this is really cute. I like that. It's really cute, nice and soft, nice and pliable. It's in great shape. I try to get stuff in, you know, pretty good shape, you know, that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. All right, Bean Beauties, if you decide that you would like a button, the first 50 people who send me a request, send me a DM on Bean Beauty Bags It or an email at beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com, and I will be more than happy to send you a free magnet, and I'll get that out to you just as soon as I can. Thank you very much for visiting me, and I would like to say thank you again for getting me to 500 early. Love y'all. Bye-bye.